Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to control Google Chrome Cache Storage API step-by-step updated for 2026, the Cache Storage API allows websites to store resources like HTML, CSS, JS, and images locally for offline use and faster loading. Mismanagement or corruption can cause outdated content, failed requests, or broken functionality. Let's start. First, open Google Chrome and launch developer tools using Control plus Shift plus I on Windows or Command plus Option plus I on Mac. Go to the Application tab and select Cache Storage. Here you can see all caches used by the current website. To clear a specific cache, right-click its name and select Delete. Reload the page to recreate fresh cached resources. Next, clear site-specific data to prevent conflicts. Go to Settings, Arrow Privacy and Security, Arrow Site Settings. Arrow Storage, find the website, and clear stored data. This resets cookies, indexed DB, and cache storage for that site. For developers, ensure proper cache versioning in your service worker. Use caches.open parenthesis, quote, v1, quote, close parenthesis, and update version numbers when deploying new content. Improper versioning can cause stale or conflicting caches. Also, check extensions. Open Chrome / extensions and temporarily disable privacy, ad blocking, or caching extensions that may interfere with cache storage. If issues persist, clear all browser cache via Settings, Arrow Privacy, and Security Arrow. Clear browsing data, selecting cached images and files. Finally, update Chrome via Chrome / settings / help and restart. Newer versions include improvements and bug fixes for Cache Storage API. And that's it. By inspecting cache storage, deleting outdated caches, clearing site data, managing service worker versions, handling extensions, and updating Chrome, you can effectively control and troubleshoot Chrome Cache Storage API. Hey everyone!